Yeah, this is Sergeant Moneyman. Today I've organised the car show, and it's turned out quite well. I'm not going to lie to you all. Look, I've got more people coming. Yeah, hello Lambo. Yeah, everyone, just enjoy yourself. Hello Walder, my brother, my landlord. Do you like the underground car show?
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah, my Miata's on top.
Oh, ooh, what's up, man?
Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to get in the thumbnail, I'll take a capture of the print screen.
Get one call around.
There you go, that's a thumbnail, boys. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah. Whoa, that's...
Everyone get in their cars. Everyone get in their.
Ah, mine's gonna be up there. Mine's gonna disappear.
Everyone get in their cars.
Hey, sir,
Yeah, brother.
you got a cigarette?
Yeah. Let me jump in my car. I can possibly get you one.
Thank you. I really want a cigarette.
Here, brother. Yeah, brother.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
No worries. Yeah. This is the car show, man.
Just want to look at the cars and smoke a cigarette.
That's what I mean, man. I don't blame you.
I mean, your car looks amazing.
Well, thank you, boy.
These ones.
Thank you.
The slight lens.
There's a lot of nice cars here. I'm not gonna lie. There's literally a lot of nice cars here.
Fuck Google game.
Yeah, boy. Everyone, just enjoy yourself, man. One minute we got. Everybody, give us a hip hip hooray! Let's have a big hip hip hooray for YouTube people.
It's 15 seconds. We've got 15 seconds to go.
Let's have a big hip hip hooray people for YouTube.
5.
Hooray, YouTube! Hooray! Car show! Yeah, boys! Yeah, if you want to come park up!
Let's go!
Yeah, boys, let's party! Let's smoke and party and smoke. I'm drinking my cup of tea. Yeah, this is the car show. Let's party and drink, and party and smoke, and party and drink, and party and party. This is a good car show. Ah, there's a lot of clean cars here. And Polly, and Polly. Yeah, boys, what do you want to do? Do you want to do a big drive out or what? Do you want to do a ride out or? Do you want to do a cruise? Yo.
Oh yeah, yeah. Look at this, Sergeant. Look at this.
That's what I mean, Bugatti, man, it's clean.
Look at this.
Bugatti is very clean.
Hey man. Yeah, put it right there. Gee. God.
Gotta get that. Right, gotta get that clickbait.
The clickbait.
That
Clickbait.
clickbait.
Let's go and get.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love
thumbnail.
clickbait.
Yeah, thumbnail, that's what I need. Good thumbnail.
Yeah.
We'll come to about here, so get them all in.
Let me pull my.
Oh, let's get. Yeah, wait for him to pause. We got it out.
Boom. And put his Bugatti.
Pause out. You got it. You can take a picture.
There we go. Thumbnail, squad goals. Yeah, this is actually quite a good car meet, to be honest, boys, not gonna lie. There's been no deaths, no RDM, and no vehicle thefts, nothing yet. Okay, hey, there's a pair of spare tyres around the back if you need them. Damn, man, this is some squad. Do you want to turn against the cops in a bit?
Oh yeah.
And see what happens? All of us versus cops.
Oh, that was on the road.
I like this G-Wagon. This is nice.
Is anyone you?
The Bugatti, this is just like, wow.
Wow. Yeah, this was nice.
Don't touch this. Oh, no.
It's like, what is that? It's like a matte green with a matte tan.
Yeah, I like it.
That looks hella fresh. It's had black wheels, that looked dope.
Yeah, bro. I said get off my car now.
uh,
I don't mind getting blood on my car.
it doesn't mind getting blood on it.
I don't mind getting.
You take it to the car wash.
Hey, what's he doing to you, Waddler? What's he doing?
Man, this is some car meat. It's like, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars turn up at the meet. And obviously have people come and go too. This is a big meet. You had your option. But damn, man. This is a nice muscle car. Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. This is a nice car you got here. Not gonna lie, it's very clean. But man, this is real nice. Got the Ferrari. Got the Capri. Got a Zandera. Got a Lamborghini.
Oh
Got the Porsche wide body.
no.
Galley. G-Wagon.
Shotgun.
Oh,
Now.
we got the Hello Kitty truck.
Yeah.
Hello Kitty.
So get off. I think I might have killed him.
Yeah. I think we might have. Just maybe. Not sure though.
Oh, hello Kitty.
Just get off my car. And by the way, get off my car.
I really like this muscle car.
It's nice talking to you. It was. There it is.
Yeah, this is
Here,
real
send me
nice.
the thumbnail here. What are you doing? Sergeant.
Yes, sir.
Oh my
Holy
bro.
shit.
Hey, Sergeant.
Yeah, brother.
Sergeant.
Yes, sir.
Just type your word. Just type where you say after and did. Yeah, send me the chat so you can send me the picture of the cars.
You got me on Discord?
No, okay, no, type your Discord so I can the picture.
Okay, okay, give me a second.
Alright.
Big man.
Big man thing, like.
Big man thing. Bruh.
Yeah, this pink car's hella fresh, like, not gonna lie. But so's the girl chilling with it, like, look at her.
Oh wow. So let me add
Turns out it's a man in disguise. That'd be funny.
you.
Haha, it's a trap.
Oh. But yeah. I think I need to get myself some of them pink gear too, man. That looks quite dope.
Yeah, I do.
That's what I'm saying, that looks quite fresh. Yeah, she knows we're talking about her. She may not be able to reply. Oh, look at this one, half naked. Hello, lovely. Oh man. Where's your clothes gone? Hello, miss? Okay.
Oh,
I was like, okay. Yeah, the pink one, I like this car. I do rate it.
Big man, put your clothes on. Ah,
Oh shit, I think you got
alright.
thrown down the stairs.
I sent you a
Yeah.
Discord friend request. Alright.
Okay, brother. Right.
Just add me back and send me that sick picture.
Okay, right. This is Sergeant Moneyman. I think we're going to be signing off here for the car show. Thank you for viewing.